Imagine a bright young professional sitting at a desk late at night, staring at a laptop screen with tears welling up in their eyes. This person has spent 5 long, exhausting years working for a toxic corporation that slowly drains away their creative soul and mental health. Deep down inside their heart, they know they should quit immediately, but a quiet, insidious voice whispers that all their past effort will be wasted. This exact same hidden psychological trap is operating when you stay with a romantic partner who treats you like a secondary, disposable option. You look at the calendar and realize you have already given them 3 years of your precious life, so you stubbornly refuse to walk away. Investors experience this painful phenomenon constantly when they watch a terrible stock crash down to zero while they keep buying more shares out of panic. Behavioral scientists have a highly specific, chilling academic name for this self-destructive pattern. And once you truly understand it, your entire world changes. Before we unpack the exact mechanisms of this mental trap, I want to share one psychological concept per video to help you protect your future. If you genuinely want to understand why you make these choices and finally regain complete control of your destiny, please subscribe to this channel right now. Let us dive deep into the fascinating history of this mind glitch by looking at a massive, multi-billion-dollar aerospace disaster from the mid-20th century. In the 1960s, the brilliant governments of Great Britain and France joined forces to build a spectacular supersonic passenger jet called the Concorde. Long before the very first airplane ever took flight, the engineers and financial experts knew the project was a total economic disaster that would lose billions. Instead of canceling the project and saving their taxpayers' money, both nations poured hundreds of millions more into the venture just to save political face. Economists watched this unfold in utter disbelief and officially coined the term Concorde effect to describe the irrational urge to fund a known failure. What most people never realize is that your brain uses this exact same flawed logic every single day in your ordinary, everyday personal choices. In 1985, 2 visionary psychology researchers named Hal Arkes and Blumer decided to test this bizarre behavior in a controlled study. They asked a large group of intelligent subjects to imagine they were the president of a major, high-tech airline company building a radar-blank plane. The project was 90% complete. $9 million had been spent, and suddenly, a competitor developed a much better, cheaper version of the plane. The question was simple, namely, should you spend the final $1 million to finish building a plane that absolutely nobody would ever buy? An astonishing 85% of the participants voted to spend the remaining money anyway, because stopping made them feel like failures. This is the part nobody tells you, because your brain treats past losses as valuable assets that you must defend with your life. Think about the last time you sat through a completely miserable movie at a theater simply because you paid $15 for the ticket. You are consciously choosing to lose your precious time in addition to your lost money, which means you are punishing yourself twice for nothing. Psychologists call this specific mental glitch the sunk cost fallacy, and it actively destroys your happiness while keeping you broke and miserable. Your ancient brain did not evolve to navigate modern corporate jobs, complex global stock markets, or highly intricate long-term modern romantic relationships. It evolved to survive in dangerous environments where abandoning a scarce resource usually meant immediate, painful starvation for the entire tribe. Therefore, when you invest time, money, or emotional energy into something, your mind labels it as an essential resource for your survival. Giving up on that investment feels like a life-threatening loss to your subconscious mind, which violently triggers your deeply hardwired loss aversion mechanisms. Big corporations and predatory industries understand this psychological vulnerability perfectly and design their products to exploit your weakness for massive profit. Think about modern video games that force you to grind for countless hours just to unlock a digital sword or a cosmetic outfit. Once you have invested 50 hours into that game, you feel completely trapped because quitting means abandoning all that hard work forever. Streaming platforms like Netflix use this bias by automatically playing the next episode of a series before your brain can consciously process the decision. You tell yourself that since you already watched 4 episodes tonight, you might as well finish the entire season before going to sleep. But here is where it gets truly dark, because this exact same trap keeps you stuck in relationships that are actively destroying your self-worth. You look at your partner and remember the beautiful vacations, the deep conversations, and the years of shared struggles you experienced together. You ignore the current daily shouting matches, the emotional distance, and the total lack of mutual respect because the past feels too valuable to lose. What you are actually doing is letting the ghost of your past happiness dictate the reality of your current, deeply painful daily existence. Stay with me, because what I am about to show you in the next 2 minutes is the part that changes everything for you. The single biggest reason we fall into this trap is that we confuse the act of quitting with the absolute certainty of failure. If you admit that a business venture, a career path, or a relationship was a mistake, you must confront a massive wave of shame. To avoid that temporary emotional pain, you choose to suffer indefinitely, throwing good years after bad years in a desperate bid to be right. Imagine a professional poker player who has already lost $10,000 during a high-stakes game because they held a terrible hand of cards. If they continue to bet more money just because they already lost a fortune, they are guaranteed to lose every single dollar they own. Professional players learn to detach their current strategic decisions from their past losses, which is exactly why they survive in that brutal industry. And here is the thing, namely that you can actually fix this mental bug starting today by using a simple, research-backed cognitive reframe. Behavioral economists suggest using a powerful tool called the Day One Reframe whenever you feel completely stuck in a difficult life situation. Look at your current toxic job, your failing investment portfolio, or your unhappy relationship, and ask yourself one highly specific, clarifying question. If I woke up today with absolutely no history, would I actively choose to enter this exact situation at its current price or emotional cost? If your honest answer to that question is a resounding no, then you are officially staying purely because of the sunk cost fallacy. The time, money, and tears you spent are gone forever, and no amount of future suffering will ever bring those precious resources back to life. Let us pull all of this together so you can carry this life-changing psychological breakthrough with you out into the real world today. Your brain naturally hates to lose, which often forces you to protect past investments by sacrificing your current happiness and your future potential. True strength is not about mindlessly staying in a sinking ship, but rather about having the immense courage to build a brand new boat. Please share this video with one person you know who deserves to understand this concept before they waste another year of their life. One deep, honest conversation about this cognitive bias could completely change how they view their money, their career, and their ultimate personal destiny.